Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp to LinkedIn for job search sprint planning, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your ClickUp account in your web browser. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your projects. Locate the workspace where you want to integrate LinkedIn. Next, click on the Integrations option in the left sidebar menu. In the Integrations section, search for LinkedIn in the available options. Click on LinkedIn to access the integration settings. You will be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account if you aren't already logged in. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize ClickUp to connect to your LinkedIn profile. Once authorized, return to ClickUp to set up the connection. Now, create a new project for your job search sprint. Label this project accordingly, like Job Search Sprint. Within this project, create tasks for each job application target. Include deadlines for each application using ClickUp's date setting features. Next, utilize the LinkedIn integration to pull in job listings directly into ClickUp. You can do this by choosing the option to sync job postings relevant to your field. Select the specific job categories or keywords that match your interests. Review the imported job listings and categorize them within your project tasks. Use tags to mark applications as applied, interviewing, or rejected. This will help you track your progress efficiently. Make use of comments and attachments to store application documents. Set reminders for application follow-ups using ClickUp's notification features. As you progress, use ClickUp's reporting tools to visualize your application activities. This will allow you to adjust your strategy as needed based on the data. Once your project setup is complete, regularly update your task progress. Doing so will keep you organized and motivated throughout your job search. Finally, remember to check LinkedIn for new postings regularly to stay informed. Good luck with your job search sprint planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.